This is the Oceanic Traditional Saunarium Wiring General Advice video. This video is for general advice purposes only and is not intended as a manual for installation. All electrical connections for the traditional saunarium must be carried out by a qualified electrician. Ensure the electrical isolator is disconnected before commencing wiring installation. Connect the mains power cable to the connector block inside the control box. For single phase, connect L1, L2 and L3 using the connectors provided. Connect the sauna heater cable to the control box using the silicone bound heat-proof cable to the correct size for your heater. This wire can then be fed down the centre of the conduit within the wire panel if you have purchased a complete Oceanic Saunarium cabin. The holes shown in this panel will need to be drilled on site. Connect the 5-core cable to the sauna heater. Connect the mini steam generator cable to the control box using the 3-core cable to the correct size. Again, the wire for this can be fed down the conduit inside the wire panel. This is usually a separate wire panel to the one provided for the heater. Please refer to the individual parts list provided with your cabin. Connect the 3-core cable to the mini steam generator. Connect the mini steam generator link cable to the main circuit board and then to the mini steam generator, again feeding this cable down the conduit inside the wire panel. Connect the temperature sensor to the main circuit board. Connect the keypad to the main circuit board. Again, the wire for this can be fed down the conduit inside the wire panel. Usually the same panel as the sauna heater, but this will depend on where you wish to locate your keypad. There are two 240 volt lighting circuits inside the control box. Each circuit can operate two 12 volt downlights from a single transformer. Connect the lighting cable to the transformer and then the transformer to one or two low voltage downlights.